Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Pane Bianco, which really means white bread in Italian. This is no ordinary white bread. Yes, it is made with bread flour. You can also use all-purpose, but it is stuffed with cheese and basil and sun-dried tomatoes and garlic. Yes, you can stuff yours with whatever you like. The possibilities are endless. You could do something sweet, like with cinnamon and chocolate, or any sort of sweet that you like. Or you could do something savory. How about a spinach and artichoke dip combo? Oh yes, you can do it all with this bread. It's gonna come out in this beautiful S-like shape to show all the beautiful colors that are in the bread when you slice it. I can't wait. Of course, I've never made this before, so we're gonna be doing it together, you and I. I'm also making it because I love to make bread. Oh yes, I do. I love to make bread, the stuffed ones too. I love to make bread. I'm a carb lover. True. I love to make bread, just me and you. First thing we'll do, let's make the dough. Then it's gonna rise. Then you get all your ingredients. You're gonna stuff into the bread ready, and then pretty much stuff it in the oven and you're done. That's it. 3 cups bread flour, 2 teaspoons yeast, 1 1/4 teaspoons salt, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup lukewarm milk, 1/3 cup lukewarm water, 3 tablespoons olive oil. Mix until it creates a very soft, smooth dough. The dough is smooth and soft, has some elasticity, and you'll notice it is a little sticky. That's a good thing. Put it in the bowl. Let it rest for anywhere from 45 to 60 minutes until it has doubled in size. Look how big it got. We're going to gently deflate this and roll out into a 22.5 by 8 inch rectangle. There's my 22 inches. Here's my 8. Just get it best you can into the 22.5 by 8. It does not have to be perfect. We're gonna be rolling this thing up anyway, so don't worry about it. You go ahead and spread with the cheese of your choice. This is 3/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano, Romano, and some mozzarella. And spread it all over. Next, we have a 1/2 cup of oil-packed sun-dried tomatoes that I have blotted and chopped up into little pieces. You could use your own oven-roasted tomatoes or any other ingredient you so choose. Next up is the garlic. I have 6 cloves of garlic here chopped. Feel free to use less if you'd like. The recipe calls for anywhere from 3 to 6. I am going all in on the garlic. Last is 1/3 cup of fresh basil that has been chopped. It's time to roll it up into a log. We're gonna go ahead and roll it back a little bit so that we can pinch this seam. Place the log seam side down onto your greased baking sheet or one that with parchment paper. Don't worry about this. We're gonna fix the shape anyway, so we'll figure that out. We're going to use kitchen shears. We're going to cut within a 1/2 inch of the end, about 1 inch deep all the way down this, and then we're going to connect the 2 ends underneath into an S. Just trust me on this one. I'm going to move this into that full S shape. We're going to put this underneath to make a figure 8. connect these two ends to make that figure 8. Okay, and this is all open. And that is exactly what we want. Cover and let rise for 40 to 60 minutes. Towards the end of the rise time, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It has doubled. Look at that. Let's get it in the oven. Into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. If it starts to brown too much after 20 to 25 minutes, go ahead and tent it with some tin foil. Time's up. It looks great. Yum. Oh. Let this cool down just a little bit. Ha 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 ha. Do I ever let it fully cool down? No. But you can try to let it cool down, and then we're going to slice it. Look at this. I mean, look at this. You can see the sun-dried tomatoes and the basil popping through with the green there. I smell the cheese and the garlic. Only one thing left to do. You know what it is. Taste it. The bread baked very nicely, and you can see it is stuffed with goodness to eat and taste. Let's give it a try. You need to try this bread. You just really need to. Fill it with whatever you like, but you need to try this bread. It was really easy, and wow, this is just wow. I fully taste the basil and the sun-dried tomato and that garlic enveloping everything, and the cheese. The cheese. Yes, this is it. Yes. Mmm. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. If I can make this stuffed bread Pane Bianco for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. And check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going for so much more. Yes!